Imagine you wake up feeling exhausted even after a full night's sleep. You just grab your phone, start scrolling endlessly through all the posts and messages, and suddenly, boom, you are late again. No time for breakfast, you just went to your school half asleep and the whole day feel like a blur. Hi, this is Smriti. I am a B.Pharm graduate turned into a teenage vitality coach, and from past 4.5 years, I am helping working parents so that they can help their teenagers develop an ultimate lifestyle pattern, which will help them improve their productivity in a very positive way. They will be more focused, more confident, concentrated towards their day-to-day activities, as well as align them with a beautiful, healthy food habits so that they can have ultimate hormone balancing. Now, picture renowned icon Cristiano Ronaldo. Despite of all his success and accolades which he earned, he never takes a break from his daily routine. He keeps on religiously following a daily schedule of waking up early in the morning at a particular time, fueling his body righteously, and then following a committed routine. Many of us struggle to manage our mornings, where Ronaldo makes us learn that it's not always about intensity of workouts. It's about consistency of your daily habits. Wanna know his secrets? A relentless, committed, healthy daily routine. The hidden reasons why teen feels stuck. Always tired? It's not your school. It's actually your poor sleep and food that drains your energy. No confidence? It's not you. It's actually a poor habit. Can't focus? It's not laziness. It's actually lack of energy or low energy due to a bad routine. Actually, your body is just like a smartphone. If you don't update it, that means if you don't exercise, or if you keep on overloading yourself with unhealthy food, that means uploading junk files, and you are not recharging it, that means you don't sleep and rest relaxed regularly, then it lags and crashes. Here, you no need to change your phone, just you need to change your habit. Let's look into the secrets of legend. Elon Musk. He manages multiple companies but never misses out his workout. So, for him, energy equals to focus. As Bruce Lee said, long-term consistency can beat short-term intensity. Look into Cristiano Ronaldo's stories. He trains daily, follows a routine, committed routine of sleeping at right time, righteously fueling his body, and never misses his training. So, at the very age of 39, he is still breaking records. So, what do we understand here? We understand that success is not always talents, but it's always your choices, daily choices. Follow 3 simple lifestyle hack. First one, the 1% rule. Tiny wins, big change. Just swipe one junk food item with something healthier. Reduce your overall screen time just by 10 minutes. You will see these small wins eventually giving you a huge transformation. The second one, the athlete mindset. Train like a champion. No gym? No problem. Just walk, stretch, move, but just don't miss it. Eat to fuel up your body, not for taste. Remember, your body is your vehicle. Third one, the future self trick. What do you want to be in your future? Imagine yourself 5 years from now. One version of you which started training today and the one which didn't. Which one of you will be stronger, sharper, smarter, and more confident? So, your future is built right now. One small habit at a time. This is the challenge. It's your turn. Many people wait for the perfect moment to start, but you know what? The perfect moment is right now. What's the one habit which you will like to change today? Remember, you don't need motivation, but you need discipline. Because your habits going to decide your future. Start it right now. I hope you found this video really helpful. Share this with a parent who really need this. And to support our efforts, do hit the subscribe button. We would love to see you as a part of our community and services. And if you want to discuss something about your teenager, do book an appointment with our expert via the link given in the description. Until the next video, this is Smriti signing off for now.